Goal 1, I want to help you with an Amazon problem.
This is a client. Everything was built from scratch. Everything was going into the right direction. Every month we were, beating the previous month's sales. Everything was good until we received a bad review in this parentage. Specifically, 1-star review, and affected our conversion drastically. So we were going, back and forward, try to do different things. Obviously, you can tell by the title that it's a motion sensor or something like that. We have a couple of video sponsored display campaigns because you have to register the product in a software the client has. We saw that a lot of people were returning the product without not even registering the product. So the people didn't even know what they were purchasing at the end of the day, or didn't have the full benefit of that. And obviously with a bad review, we had a low conversion, but we were able to, inside the same parentage, split the reviews so we can keep our best seller with a 5-star rating.
Do they have a product insert yet?
Yeah, we have.
Okay, so there's 5-star reviews here and there's only 6 ratings, and a single review is not going to kill everything. So tell me why this is so concerning.
Because client is very anxious.
I would not focus on the review, and I think it's a waste of time. I think we need to focus on marketing.
Okay.
So your job is to navigate the anxiousness of a brand owner, especially if they're a new Amazon seller. That can be very anxious, and it's a delicate matter. So what I would say to them is say, hey, we work with brands all the time that are brand new on Amazon, and it can be a little concerning when a negative review comes in, but it's a short-term problem. The long-term problem is we need to grow your sales. And that's where I really want to focus my time and attention. And if we spend time being reactive to a review, it's not going to help us grow the sales. So my job is to go get you 100 reviews by generating 1,000 sales. If you do that, it will reduce the anxiety. It's just like having a relationship challenge problem, right? So are you married? You got a girlfriend?
Yeah, I got a girlfriend.
All right. So last time you had a fight with your girlfriend, how did you resolve it?
We talked through about the problem.
So you made her feel heard, and you didn't try and solve the problem, because you never try and solve a woman's problem, but you make her feel heard first, right?
Yeah.
All right. Start with that with the brand. Make sure they feel heard. Chances are they already feel heard, but you need to bring it up again and remind them that you've heard them. Okay.
Okay.
Then tell them what your plan is to address the account. Just documenting the concern. I hear you. However, I spoke with Stephen Pope. He strongly, and do all the brand things I talked about, how we normally see this and how it's a short-term problem. Do all that. Then pivot. I talked to Stephen Pope. He suggested that we focus on blowing up sales and really hunkering down on proactive activities and marketing.